Alright gang, here we are at Cultus Lake Adventure Park. We're at Giggle Mini Putt. Ma's already taken a look at the hole. She's really out to get this one. But the secret, guys, take a look at the secret. That's the secret right there. Go down to that center piece right there. If you can get the center, you'll get a good chance at a hole-in-one down here. She shot. Oh no, where did she go? Oh, look out. Whoa. All right, let's see if I can get a hole-in-one. It could be good. It could be good. Oh. That was... Hold on a second. See an ant? Alright, go for your second shot. Oh no! That means I gotta get this in to tie it. Brilliant. Going for the tie. Oh! You're still one ahead though. She tied the hole, but she's still one ahead in the whole game. Stay tuned for stay tuned for hole number 6. I thought I saw a bird go by.